Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you've been looking for a gorgeous, stunning jewelry set for yourself or a loved one that is high class, vibrant, beautiful, but at the fraction of a price, then look no further. I love this set by ININY. Their certified lab grown blue sapphire jewelry with their ring and their two studs, which is the perfect combo for any adventure. For me, because this is a staple piece, whether you're having fun and you're traveling and you want to look nice and classy, or if you just want to be more casual. I find that you can wear them both ways. The sterling silver is stamped on these pieces so beautifully. The royal blue has a gorgeous sparkle, and the quality, even up close, is remarkable. They have really paid attention to detail. I cannot find one mistake on these pieces of jewelry. I love how vibrant they are, and I really enjoy just having them because they're comfortable to wear. The ring doesn't slide around on my finger, it stays in place, and the studs also stay in place. I like that. The studs feel really comfortable on my ear. The material feels great. It's sterling silver and it has a triple thick white gold layer. So even when I'm working or want to go out, they are really durable and strong, and I feel comfortable wearing these. The adjustable backings are adorable and just make it perfect depending on your earlobe size. This is so cute with the gift box, and I highly recommend it. I love these, but that's just my point of view.